In this video, I am working on a 1968 Boles Aero Camper. Please join me. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt, and I will be your host. Get out there. This mangled mess of a door, I want to see if I can fix it. There is a whole lot of damage to this door and that screen door. Can you see that? I'm sure you can. And not to mention this spot, but I'm going to start with the door and see what we can do to that first. Take a good look at it because it's not going back on like this. It's in terrible shape. Oh! No damage done, believe it or not. It's fine. Before I take this screen door all the way off, I want somebody to explain something to me. This is supposed to have another piece here that slides open and shut, and it's so that you can reach the main door and open or shut it so that bugs don't come in and out. Doesn't make any sense to me. What, you reach your arm through here and what, push the main door out? I don't understand it. I think this screen door is really cool because of this right here. That's neat to me. Let's see what I'm getting myself into here. Oh, somebody has put a new floor on it over the years. Look at that. That's cool. So there's that. And this must be the original. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, heavens to Betsy. That can't be good. No, it can't, Benny. No, it can't. You are evicted out of my house. This wood must be secured on the other side. Bet it's this latch holding it on. Putting all this stuff in plastic zip baggies to keep track of it. I'll bet that wood will stay on the counter now when I lift it up. Surprise, surprise. Oh, look at that, this handle, it'll come right out now. This top right here on the door just popped up. I don't know if you see it. Anyways, it goes like this, pops up to come out. So now we can slide our new aluminum down in this door. We're not going for perfection, we just need a door on it for right now. Door is on and working good. It's filthy. We still got to clean it up, and that's how it looks with it being pulled out the side. We're just trying to get this thing closed in a little bit. Look, the door works good though. It needs a spring right there on the handle. LG is cleaning the old butyl from where the solid glass windows are, and I'm going to put the louvered windows in right now. Two of them were smashed out right here, the louvers, and then on this side, all four where kids had been messing them up. And here are the windows. We just put new glass in there, but the seals are old junk. We're just temporarily trying to get this thing closed up a little bit so we don't have to keep a tarp on it. This window's got to be replaced here. Turned cold, and I've been editing this video. It's actually Sunday right now. I'm going to upload this video. I finished it up. The camper, look, I just used aluminum tape in the holes. All we wanted to do was seal this thing up a little bit. Well, a lot compared to what it was. The windows are all fixed. The middle one, remember, I can't remember. A couple of these were smashed out. Maybe all of these, I can't remember. I know a couple on this side. We ended up accidentally still cracking that one right there a little bit. And this back one, it is installed. Let's go inside of the camper and I'll show you around. I couldn't be happier with the way this door works. It just really surprised me how good it works. It's snapping shut. Still has to be repaired. All this, it needs more work. I wanted it sealed up so that we didn't have to keep that tarp on there. I know the roof's still leaking a little bit, but we'll get to that when the weather gets a little bit better. Thought maybe I'd give you a little tour. Look, we cleaned up, kind of. None of this is gonna stay. The trailer's gotta be gutted, we decided. And the windows that we just replaced, they're not even gonna stay. We just needed it sealed up for now. And that's what we did. I can see a little kitty cat is making use of this seat. Here's a sneak preview of a review video coming up soon. Old man on a mini moto. My son just picked this motorbike up. It is an XL 600R kickstart only. Crazy kid. This is his first motorbike. I've had some YouTube fatigue, so I get burned out a little bit on it making videos, but I want to get back in the groove because the Datsun, it's been on the road, believe it or not. I probably put about 50 miles on it just driving around here locally, kind of giving it a shakedown run, and I have been filming. I just hadn't been editing all the stuff that I have. Also, I have a huge trip planned, hopefully, if everything works out. And my favorite videos to film are travel videos. Those are fun for me, even though they don't get many views. I still enjoy doing it. So for those of you that are still with me, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.